Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are good. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is related to how to improve the vocabulary and spoken of your child. I will tell you some steps that you can follow at your home to improve the vocabulary and spoken of your child. So let's go. First of all, here is a picture in which two girls are holding the basket. One is full and other is empty. You can give the vocabulary from the daily routine things that we can use. Long and short, thin and fat, turn on, turn off, dirty, clean, young, old, cold, hot, day, night. You can do with the small sentences that we can use in our daily routine, like wash my face, take a bath, brush my teeth, comb my hair, have breakfast, go to school, study, go home, have lunch. Similarly, once they started learning the basic vocabulary that we can use in our house and outdoors, then motivate them to speak small sentences that we can use in our daily routine, like I get up, I have breakfast, I brush my teeth, I get dressed, I go to school, I have lunch, and anything else they want to share. Motivate them to speak small sentences slowly and gradually, and they can improve their vocabulary and sentence making. I hope you like my video. I will make more videos related to this topic. I will share the link of a video in the description box about the 5 best channels to improve the vocabulary and spoken of your child. Please subscribe to my channel and share my video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.